Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are out here finishing up the leveling on the sawmill, so we can actually hopefully log a log or mill a log today. Very exciting. So Stuart is flattening the bunks out, and then he's got to work on the head to make sure that it's level, and we can get going on milling.
So I got 3 blocks. I got this one that's tapered and one on each side, and the one on each end is holding up the string the distance of that block, which is the same size as this. And then I'm just using the tapered block to see whether I need to go up or down on the bed, and we're really close. So I don't know if you can see it, but the string starts to touch about right there. So I'm just trying to go down with it or up with it or whatever I need to do, but I'm loose all the way. This leg is completely loose, that leg is completely loose. So this leg is fine. Doesn't touch. Or just barely. Actually, so that's changed. So this one's gonna have to go up a little bit. So if this one's up, that one's down, the next one's down. You see my confusion? So this one would need to go, this side would need to go up.
Or down. Wouldn't it need to go down?
No, because so if the bed's sitting like this, as you take this side down, this side's gonna go up.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
A little bit more. That should do it. Yep. So it's just barely touching. I'm not seeing any movement on the string. So let's lock this one in place. Oh. Come back to this one and see. Ha! So now we need to go up. So there, that's touching right there. Let's see.
So then after you flatten them all, you've got to check your level again too, right? To make sure it didn't throw the level off?
As long as this is flat.
It should be level.
Level is a moot point. The most important thing is the bed is flat.
Okay.
So you can be off, like we were before, 2 inches on this side.
Right.
But the bed was still flat.
Okay.
Right? So that means it's going to cut a flat cut straight across as opposed to a wavy cut. So this side needs to go down. So do I need to take those 2 down first? If I take those 2 down, that'll bring this down.
Now that confuses me because it looks like on this one, like you need to go up, not down.
That's what I mean. Well, no. So I can take that one up.
Right.
Right? But it probably won't do much. So we'll take this side down.
Which will automatically make...
Which will raise that side up. And hopefully it won't do anything with the middle, but it probably will. Yep, so it just slides underneath there without the string moving.
You're so cute, Gabby. What's Daddy doing? Gabby, look how pretty you are.
Hi, Goose. What's up, Goose?
He's hoping.
You helping, Goose? The blade moves outwards, turn the adjuster bolt clockwise. There it goes.
Ooh, nice. So we're trying to level the blade on each side. And I just told Stuart that it's going to be like winning the lottery when we actually get it.
Yep.
He's running out of room to adjust on each side, so we're trying to figure out how to do it.
So I'm going to take this one all the way up. Take this one almost all the way down.
Up just a smidgen. Up a little more. Ah, shit. Down. That feels like up a little bit, huh? Up. Up. We got the blade level, finally, on both sides. That did take a while, and it was very frustrating because he kept running out of room to adjust. So we got it, and now he's just making sure everything's tightened up.
Square. It might be a smidgen of a bubble off, but I'm not going to worry about a smidgen of a bubble off because this is actually, I measured it at 6.5 by 6.5. Thanks to McGarvey, kind of gave me that tip. So that way when we get ready to build with it, we'll take that other 1/2 inch off.
Okay.
Because it's not completely dry, so.
So you might be wondering what we are milling up. We are milling up 6x6s for a woodshed. Finally, we get a real woodshed. So, Stuart says we need 6.
We're a little bit off still. I think the head's got cockeyed like this because we're like a 1/4 inch off from one side to the other side. So I'll stick my awesome measuring device under there again, which is a 1, 2, 3 block. And we'll go from there and
Figure it out.
see if it's that. You guys, stop. Sit down for a minute. Sit down. Are you sitting down? July 23rd, somewhere in Athol, Idaho, is the infamous annual YouTubers meet and greet. And we got some awesome, cool, most amazing YouTubers are going to be there this year. And there's going to be free giveaways.
Yep.
And there's some really cool stuff. If you go watch Martin Johnson Off Grid, he's got some cool giveaway stuff that's going to be given away. But I'm not going to show you what we have acquired to give away. It's most awesome. But you got to be 18. This right here, what's that called?
The QR code.
Yeah, the QR code. Scan that if you're on your TV, and it'll take you right to the email list.
Actually, do this. Scan it here, so I don't have to make it right.
Scan it here.
The QR code.
The QR code right here. If you're watching from a TV, scan it with your smartphone, and it will take you to the email list to get notified when registration is open and free. Free.
Yes.
It's free to go. It's free to come see your favorite YouTubers.
All right, guys. So till next time, we love you all. Have a great day.
Live
and
life
live life
your way.
your way.